How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you a very simple modification that you can make to the taillights of your 4Runner that not only make the turn signals look way cooler, but will make your reverse lights way brighter and easier to see. Stick around and I'll show you how. This modification is going to change your turn signals from the amber bulbs to your red LED bulbs. That's normally your tail lights / brake lights. It's going to cause those to blink instead of the amber bulb. The other thing it's going to do is make your old turn signal bulb into an additional reverse light. So a couple parts that we're going to need for this modification. Alright, for the parts that we need to upgrade the stock halogen bulbs to some LED bulbs. So I got some LasFit bulbs. These are to replace the reverse lights, and these ones are to replace the amber turn signals, and these are both obviously going to be white now. The next thing we're going to need is this module. I believe it's called a USAM or USAM module, and this is what's actually going to turn your brake lights into your turn signals, and your turn signals into a second set of reverse lights. Alright, when you get this out of the package, you're actually going to need to take the included wire cap and clamp that around your green wire, and take this black wire and plug it into it with the spade connector. What that's going to do is allow the turn signal, or the old turn signal, to become a secondary reverse light. Let's get on with it. Alright, we're right behind the tail light. We're going to take a pry tool, or in this case, I'm just going to use this little screwdriver because my pry tools were a little too large to pop in there. And that just pops right off. Let's go ahead and just remove the wire harness from the brake light. Get that out of the way. And we're going to remove the reverse bulb. Pull that out. And we're going to replace it with the T15 from LasFit. And in case I didn't mention it, there will be links in the description below for all the parts you're going to need. And these bulbs are non-polar, so it doesn't matter which direction you plug it in. And there's a quarter turn to put it back. Reach up here, quarter clockwise turn to remove your stock amber turn signal bulb. Again, non-polar. And this is a 7443 bulb. Make sure you fully insert it. And clockwise turn to plug that back in. Now the module just plugs in series with your brake light and harness. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get some zip ties in there to just clean things up, keep everything from rattling, and we're going to repeat the process on the other side. Well, that's going to wrap this one up. Hopefully you guys found it helpful. Once again, there are links down below for all the parts that you'll need. And for the LasFit bulbs, if you use my coupon code SFARCO and during checkout, you will get 10% off those as well. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.